Are you trying to decide between Mediavine and Raptive? You're not alone. Today, we'll break down these two popular ad management platforms. Both Mediavine and Raptive help website owners make money through ads. They connect your site with advertisers, allowing you to earn revenue based on traffic, but they each have their unique features and benefits. Let's start with Mediavine. This platform is known for its strong focus on high quality content. They prioritize user experience, ensuring ads don't disrupt site visitors. Mediavine offers a variety of ad formats, including display ads and video ads. They also provide detailed analytics to help you understand your audience better. Now, let's talk about Raptive. Raptive, formerly known as AdThrive, is also focused on maximizing ad revenue. They are known for their personalized support and quick setup process. Raptive offers a wide range of ad options too, and they emphasize optimizing ad placements for better performance. So, what are the key differences? Mediavine is often praised for its user-friendly interface and content-first approach. Raptive, on the other hand, is recognized for its responsive customer service and fast onboarding. When it comes to features, both platforms offer similar tools like analytics and ad optimization. However, Mediavine tends to provide more resources for publishers focused on content creation. Raptive shines with its hands-on support and quick responses to issues. In terms of pricing, both platforms typically take a percentage of your ad revenue. The exact rates can vary, so it's best to check their websites for the latest information. In the end, if you're a content creator who values user experience, Mediavine might be the better choice for you. But if you prefer personalized support and quick setup, Raptive could be the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.